yes, welcome back guys. It is fantastic. Anyway, it's amazing. It's amazing. I'm in the kitchen, and at this side today I must give my fans and the recipe. First of all, we are looking at least 10,000 likes on the video and at least 5,000 comments, and we will be happy. If I could do that, guys, please, I'll be 100% happy. Thank you so much for your time we're gonna spend into leaving the comments and like my video. But anyway, this video is all about your system, health, and all these things. And look after enough of yourself. But this recipe is a tea recipe, fresh beetroot tea. It's what I said, fresh beetroot tea. The weather at the moment is crazy, but no complaining. We live in a cold country, so we expect to get cold weather. So if you live in a hot country, you're gonna get hot weather and rain. So anyway, I share the recipe with you guys, and I needed to share it. Tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Some people never heard about beetroot tea before. Welcome to beetroot tea. It is good for you. The reason why I want to say beetroot tea is good for you, because beetroot do help fight against cancer and help do a lot of stuff inside the immune system. So please give it a try. If you doesn't like it, please write the comments below. But I know for sure that beetroot is good for your blood, and I use fresh beetroot. I didn't use a dry one. I use a fresh beetroot to make your tea. So thank you so much for watching and tuning in. And as I said, we are looking at least 10,000 likes on the video, 5,000 comments. So please like, share, and subscribe, and tell a friend, and represent Jamaica. And we got a lot more recipe coming out, guys. One love from Chef Ricardo and the team, and you guys have a lovely weekend. See you next time. Tune in. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. It is amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, today I want to make you a fresh, nice, lovely beetroot tea. All right, drink. I want to say, the kind of weather which we are in, we need tea, we need certain kind of drink, we need certain kind of porridge and soup. So today I decided to make you guys a fresh beetroot tea. All right, so first thing what you need to do is let's see what I have right here to make you guys see exactly what's going on. I got glass there at the moment, and I have a few stuff, but I might switch it around just to make life a little bit more easier. This is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to use this bigger bowl right here, and I'm going to simple squeeze half a lemon inside of this. Nice one. Then I have some ginger. I'm gonna use some fresh ginger by simple grater it. As you can see, that's it right there. Nice one. I got some beetroot right here, and I'm going to just simple remove the skin from the beetroot. All right. The reason why I'm wearing the gloves, because beetroot do give you that red color, which sometimes it just mess up your hand, so you need to wear gloves. All right. Honestly, you need to wear gloves, guys. So right here, I'm going to simple grate the beetroot. You notice I'm grating the beetroot at the moment. You can use your favorite grater what you like to use, but I'm just using this little one right here. Nice one. So remember, I'm not going to be making a lot. I'm just going to make a little bit just to show my fans them that you guys can do this at home, alright? Fresh beetroot tea. So as you can see, it's red up my hand, and that's where I'm reading from. So now I'm going to just take off my gloves. I'm going to pour some hot water inside of it now. Lovely. After you pour that hot water inside of it, which you needed to do, you needed to leave it for roughly about 5 to 6 minutes inside of it. Well, 4 minutes, but what we're going to do in the meantime is get the honey and squeeze 1, 2 teaspoons of honey. You might need some more because there's a lot of it inside, a lot of water. But basically, I'm just simply showing you guys that you can make this at home if you get fed up of ginger tea, lemon tea, all kind of tea. You can make something totally different. Fresh beetroot tea. Really nice and fantastic. So what we're going to do now is just simply show you what's going on. Just get my glass and my strainer and just simply strain it. And if you think it is a little bit too cold, you can always put it back inside of in a pot and put it back on the stove, warm it up back. But this is exactly what I want to show my fans them. Beetroot tea with ginger and lemon and some fresh beetroot. It tastes fantastic, guys. And I know you guys will love this one because it's just something new. And you might have said, Chef Ricardo, thank you so much for this recipe and these ideas. If you think it's a good ideas and it's a good recipe, guys, please leave your comments below. And please subscribe my YouTube channel. My name is Chef Ricardo, and as I represent the best of the best for my fans. And I'm happy I'm doing this such a nice job for my fans, guys. You know what I mean? It is really fantastic, guys, and the weather which we are in now at the moment, we need something like this, you know what I mean, something different, something new, you know what I mean, sometimes you're tired of, and the beauty is that every recipe inside of that tea is good for you, because the beetroot is good for you. Beetroot do help fight against cancer and a lot more stuff. The lemon do help you to lose weight, and also the ginger, again, even rather worse, it have so much benefit inside of it. So I'm just asking you, leave your comments below, guys. I'm looking at least 20,000 likes on the video and at least 20,000 comments on the video. So guys, please subscribe, leave your comments below. Thank you so much for watching. We got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe. My name is Chef Ricardo, and thank you so much for watching my cooking show. See you next time. Bye bye.